I just got the call. FedEx made a delivery. We better check it out, see what we got. Ooh, I'm so excited. I just love deliveries.
Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go.
Unboxing. The BREW watch company metric chronograph. Now, as you may know, BREW is a brand that takes inspiration from vintage or retro designs. This watch is no exception. The metric chronograph is inspired by fast cars of the 70s and 80s, and it's easy to see why. The watch has a sleek retro design that's sure to turn heads. Nice little greeting card. Congratulations and thank you for your order of your new BREW watch. You are a special customer and we sincerely appreciate your business. We hope that you enjoy this watch for many years to come. Designer and founder, Jonathan Furr, BREW. The BREW metric chronograph is inspired by speedometers and tachometers of vintage racing cars. The design of the watch is meant to evoke a feeling of being behind the wheel from cars of the past. This is a great watch for anyone who appreciates vintage or retro design and loves fast cars. The BREW metric chronograph, inspired by race cars from like the 1970s and 80s. A new release from the BREW watch company. Size makes the watch distinctive to its design era. Catchy and smart, this brand. And the philosophy? Enjoy your moments over coffee. But what if you're not a coffee drinker like me? Well, you can still appreciate the creativity and the vision of this product. The metric chronograph is a stunner, no joke. With full black PVD coated 316L stainless steel case with stainless steel PVD bracelet to match, almost like it's an integrated bracelet design with a folding clasp and micro adjustment. Now the case dimensions here, we're looking at 36 millimeters by 41.5 millimeters, a lug width of 20 millimeters, and a thickness of 10.75 millimeters, sealed up with an attractive yet functional screw-down case back, and only 50 meters of water resistance. But that's not a problem. It's not meant for diving. A 6 millimeter steel crown signed with the coffee bean, a slick touch, matching start, stop, and reset pushers. Now ultimate clarity here and visibility, supported by a sapphire crystal. Great touch for this price point too. And she sits over this gorgeous black dial. White gloves on, bird's eye view. Let's go. The dial screams sports and racing with its matte black dial under the white and red accents. Simple yet classic in appearance, but speaks with originality. As you enjoy looking at this beautiful watch design, your first thought isn't, oh, this looks like this type of watch. Unbelievable. The details from the markers, unique stick style hands and sub-dials or registers looking like a race car speedometer, they are great. A large chronograph seconds hand in red accent color stands out for ultimate timing visibility, as well as a 60-minute chronograph register at the 10 o'clock position. Now you have your small running seconds in the register at the 6 o'clock position, and it's accented with only your outer chapter markers, no numbers. I like that touch as well. Now finishing off the dial, supporting that racing and timing aesthetic, is the inner second chapter ring under that 5-second incremental marker at the normal positions around the dial. Overall, the dial is pleasing, and it's easy to read and functional. It works. Lastly, a great subtle touch, the BREW watch company's trademark symbol, the coffee bean, positioned at that 3 o'clock position. If you didn't see it, you better look closely. You might miss it.
Now there's no date complication. And do you blame them? Inspired by race cars, vintage or retro designs from the 70s and 80s? Are you concerned about the date? Not likely.
Now the metric chronograph is powered with this 5-hand movement by the Seiko VK68. It's a Mecca Quartz movement, which means basically that it has a quartz crystal oscillator built in it for accuracy. But it also has mechanical components for the chronograph function. This is what I've read. I'm no watchmaker. I just put them on the wrist. With a battery of the SR936SW. The battery life is approximately 3 years, depending on how much functionality you get out of this thing day to day. I wouldn't leave that stopwatch running, or you'll be cutting into that time. Accuracy for the Seiko VK68 is approximately 20 seconds plus or minus a month. Not bad.
Where's the loom? Have you seen the loom? We can't seem to find the loom. We might have to put an APB out for the loom. No loom. Huh. No loom. That's a head scratcher. Not even a little tiny bit? We're still looking. Comment down below, let me know what you think. Could they have taken a little bit of Lumabrite from Seiko and just popped a little bit of loom in there? Always an option. Comment down below, let me know what you think.
Cost of the metric chronograph is about $500 US and can be found online at brewwatches.com. Leave that link for you right there on the screen. 36mm size makes the watch distinctive to its era, while comfortable and wearable for any occasion. Do you like the metric chronograph? Comment down below, let me know. If you have a watch you want reviewed, look me up on Instagram, we can chat and talk. Like and subscribe, do that funky thing you do, get the YouTube algorithm working. Put your notifications on and you'll get notified when the next video drops. Smash that bell. The BREW Watch Company Metric Chronograph. Enjoy your moments over coffee. I'm out.